Happy New Year! You know what that means. Tax season is just around the corner. Here are a few steps to think about early to reduce the stress during tax season. Step number one, prepare your 2025 reports. This is for business owners only. Now that 2025 is over, you should have a clear idea of what your taxable profit is. If not, we can help with that. If you send us your 2025 bank statements, we will use them to create your 2025 reports, which is what your taxable income is based on. Let's do this first, preferably in January or February before tax season begins. If you already subscribe to our ongoing bookkeeping service, then this is already done for you. Congratulations. Click on this video for more information about creating your financial statements. Step number two, the T-slip deadline is February 28th. This is your T4s, your T4As, T5s, and T5018s. This is again for business owners only. This is another reason why having your financial reports done in January is important. You're going to need them in order to meet this February 28th deadline to file all your T-slips with CRA. If you need help with that, we can do that too. Step number three, gather all sources of income. This could be your business income from step one, your final 2025 pay stub with year-to-date numbers, your pension statements, your online investment statements, and any other source of income that you may have. We're looking to add up the total gross income from all those sources and total taxes paid. It is best to do this early because you're going to need all these documents anyways during tax season. Step four, tax planning. Once we have an idea of what your taxable income is and the amount of taxes you've already paid, we can use that information to predict what your tax balance or refund for 25 will be. If you find that you have a tax balance owing, you have two options. You can either prepare for it by putting some money aside to meet that April 30th payment deadline, or we can do what you can to reduce or eliminate that tax balance by contributing to your RSPs by March 3rd or next year's FHSA, or we can talk about some other tax saving or tax deferring strategies. Book a call to discuss more tax saving strategies relevant to your specific situation. Step 5. Do you have access to your personal CRA account? You're going to need it. It is definitely important. If you're new to working with L&M Accounting Solutions, check out this video on how to create your personal CRA account or a GST account if you're a business owner. Number 6, tax season officially begins February 24th, but most people aren't going to receive all their tax documents anyways until maybe the end of March, especially if they made an RSP contribution on March 3rd. But that's okay because the filing and payment deadline is April 30th. In the beginning of March, you will receive a tax season launch email with a link to all the forms you're going to need with a brief description of each one so you know which one applies to you. Number 7, preparing your tax file. Once we receive all your forms and documents through a secure portal, we will prepare your file and send it to you for signature. If you prefer, we can schedule a call to review your file in detail. This can be a phone call, a video call, or you're welcome to come join us in the office. And lastly, number 8, sign and file. Once your documents are signed, we will e-file it with CRA and send you confirmation of that e-filing for your records. Now that you know what to expect, no fear, no stress. Just a few tips from L&M Accounting Solutions, your small business finance department.